Are you one of the many who started a college degree but couldn't finish? Life happens. Whether it's work, family, or personal reasons, sometimes our educational goals get put on hold. But there's good news. Online degree completion programs can help you pick up where you left off and earn your bachelor's degree. Earning a bachelor's degree can open doors to better job opportunities, higher earning potential, and lower unemployment rates. Plus, with many occupations requiring more education, completing your degree can lead to greater job stability and more career options. So what exactly are online degree completion programs? These are specialized bachelor's programs designed for adults and returning students who have previously earned some college credits but didn't finish their degree. They allow you to transfer your existing credits so you don't have to start from scratch. Imagine being able to pick up right where you left off. With these programs, you can complete your degree online, fitting your studies around your current commitments. Courses are offered either synchronously or asynchronously, providing the flexibility you need to balance education with your busy life. Online degree completion programs are perfect for those who've taken a break from their education but have earned some college credits, including those who may have completed an associate's degree. If you're looking to finish what you started, these programs are tailored for you. While traditional degree programs offer a wide range of majors, online degree completion programs often focus on practical and versatile fields. You might find concentrations in areas like leadership and management, healthcare management, business studies, and more. Let's talk about the benefits. First, flexibility. These programs are designed to fit into your life, allowing you to study from anywhere at any time. Second, the online format means you can access a variety of learning materials and connect with peers and faculty virtually. Third, these programs offer concentrations in in-demand fields, giving you specialized knowledge to boost your career. And perhaps one of the biggest advantages is accelerated graduation. By transferring your existing credits, you can potentially finish your degree in as little as 2 to 3 years, depending on the number of credits you transfer. But before you jump in, consider these factors. Can you find a concentration that aligns with your career goals? Will the program maximize your transfer credits? What level of support is offered to help you succeed? And importantly, can you manage your time effectively to balance your studies with other responsibilities? To find the right program, start by researching online. Look for programs that offer the concentrations you're interested in and have favorable credit transfer policies. Many schools provide information sessions or admissions counseling. Take advantage of these resources to make an informed decision. If you're ready to take the next step towards completing your bachelor's degree, explore online degree completion programs. They're designed to help you achieve your educational and career goals, providing flexibility, support, and the opportunity to finish what you started. Start your journey today and unlock new opportunities for your future.